Every effort the Government of India takes, a new ray of hope for the farmers it makes. The Government of India is fully committed towards the prosperity and self-reliance of country's farmers. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the country is now self-reliant as for food grains and horticulture. And the production of pulses has also increased. Similarly, the government has also taken several steps to increase the production of edible oils. Taking forward this very trend, under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the Government of India, taking forward a visionary step, inaugurated National Mission on Edible Oils, Oil Palm. Through this mission, farmers all over the country would be benefited. Capital investment in agriculture would increase, dependency on import for edible oils would decrease, and new opportunities for employment would sprout up. In order to achieve self-reliance, with reference to edible oils, the resolution of National Mission on Edible Oils, Oil Palm, has been taken. With this, not only the farmers would be benefited, but also the poor and middle-class families would get better quality oils at cheaper rates. Not only this mission will generate employment at a large scale. Under this mission, to increase the acreage and production of oil palms, the Government of India has earmarked the grant of more than Rs 11,000 crore. Under the mission, the government had increased the previous amount of Rs 12,000 rupees per hectare to Rs 29,000 rupees per hectare in order to help in plantation of oil palm. An exclusive amount of Rs 250 per plant is also being given for rejuvenation of old oil palm gardens. Help will be provided to eliminate the shortage of plantation material and to seed-producing gardens. Under this, up to Rs 80 lakh will be provided for 15 hectares of oil palm gardens. Apart from this, up to Rs 40 lakh will also be given for the development of nurseries. There is also a provision of special aid to Andaman Islands and northeastern states. Oil palm farmers produce fresh fruit bunches, that is FFB, whose prices are based on the fluctuation in international prices. For the first time, central government is giving an assurance to the farmers in context to the prices of fresh fruit bunches. This will be called the viability price or VP, which means no loss for the farmers. The fixation of viability price VP will start from 1st of November and go on until 31st October next year. This duration will be called the Oil Palm Year. The scheme targets to create acreage of 6.5 lakh hectare of oil palm by the year 2025-26 and to produce 11.20 lakh tons of raw oil palm by the same. This significant decision would create and build trust among the oil palm farmers, and they would increase the acreage. Thus, the production would increase, which will boost the farmers' income and strengthen the rural economy.